Okay, for 110, they give us, 6 problems with fractions. So we need common denominators. So the common denominator for the first one is 24, right? So that's negative 16 24ths plus a negative, right? So that's minus 3 24ths. And that gives us negative 19 24ths. So let me see, I'll go down. So this is A, right? So negative 19 24ths for A. For B, I'll do B here. We want to change to improper fractions. So 3.5 is 7 halves. Minus a negative is plus, right? And 1 1/3, that's 4 thirds, right? So common denominator is 6. So we have 21 sixths plus 8 sixths, right? And that's 29 sixths for B. 29 sixths. For C, I don't know, let's try to fit it here, right? C. We have negative 4 1/5. That's negative 21 fifths times negative 1/3, right? So for this one, we can cross cancel, right? So this 3 and the 21, that leaves us 7 in the numerator, right? So negative times negative is positive, so it's positive 7 times 1 over 5 times 1, right? So positive 7 fifths for C. Okay, for D, let's clear this and make some more space. For D, we have negative 2/3 divided by 1/4, which is the same as negative 2/3 times the reciprocal, 4 over 1, right? So we get negative 8/3. 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 1. So negative 8/3 for D. And E, let's do that here. We have 1 3/4, that's 7/4, plus a negative, that's minus 5 1/3, that's 16/3, right? Common denominator is 12, so I have 21 twelfths minus 16, 32, 64 twelfths, right? 21 minus 64 is 43, negative 43 twelfths, right? Negative 43 twelfths. And it's fine to leave as an improper fraction. And F, let's do F. Make some space. F, we have negative 2 2/3. That's negative 6 8/3 divided by negative 1 1/6, which is negative 7 6. So that's negative 8/3 times the reciprocal, negative 6 7ths. We can cross cancel. The 3 and the 6 leaves a 2, right? And a 1, right? Negative times negative is positive. So 8 times 2 is 16 over 7. And we can leave it as an improper fraction.